breaking news, baby dolls. ProveX has been officially released. I'm giving you this very special episode here. Please be careful of using it. I'm just throwing this video out for you right now. Okay, this is extremely important. ProveX from PulseChain. It's posted by LibertySwap. So I'm just giving it here for you for the community. This is literally what the website looks like. Okay. Now, why this is huge, friends, we don't need any exchanges. Simply put, you can on-ramp with US dollars, Canadian dollars. What your currency is, you can literally come and on-ramp, friends, directly in through a bank. Okay, I will now show you. If you go here, this is the website. Okay, so just be careful. I'll just show you what it looks like. Okay, you can put like Canadian dollars. You can come here, friends. You can put whatever you want. Let's say you're in British pound. You can select the pound and see what it accepts. It accepts PayPal. So you can put PayPal. Let's say you wanted to send like, 500 of British pounds. What it will let you do is you can give you USDC on PulseChain, which is awesome. It also lets you select Coinbase. Okay, it lets you select Coinbase. So you're going to get Coinbase and defend. This is huge. This is so big. This is enormous. This is enormous. Now you don't need any exchanges. Exchanges are done. They're done. No longer do you now need to go to an exchange and then like sign up and you give them the ID. You wait 24 hours. How do you place an order? What do you do? Boom. You just literally PayPal the money right in. This is so freaking epic. This is awesome. This is really good. Please be careful of the websites and stuff. Apparently, people have tried to place orders, but it doesn't work. And this was posted by LibertySwap. So we're just excited here, just showing you. Look at this. ProveX is here. This is LibertySwap, showing it out here. ProveX. This is really good, man. This is really good. I really do like this. This is fantastic. Okay. So PulseChain now has direct on-ramp technology here, which is awesome. You can deposit money from many places, such as banks or PayPal. It will give you USDC on PulseChain or Coinbase. So now, friends, people can just PayPal right in using it, and you just wait. Okay, I don't know how long. Probably comes out pretty fast. And now you just have your USDC, and you just go in and swap it straight away. How cool is that? If you did it on Coinbase, you could just use LibertySwap website. Now that you have the USDC, use LibertySwap and it can transfer your money straight into the PulseChain side, because you can use LibertySwap to go cross-chain. So what I'll do is I'll go to, and please be careful of the spelling here, libertyswap.finance. Check your spelling. Okay, this is what you can do. So if you have USDC on base, you can just say, if you want to go buy anything, you want to buy like Pulse itself or PulseX. See how mad it is? Let's say you want to buy PulseX and you want to put in like, $200 in, and it'll give you your PulseX up here. And you can literally see USDC on Coinbase, and it's calculating and give it to a PulseX, and you go through and you do the swap or Roonies after it just finds the price quote, and you're done. You're literally done. Oh man, that's really good. That's really good. Look at it, friends. Goodbye exchanges. They're done. What are the exchanges going to do now? What are the exchanges going to do now? You don't need them. Man, this is epic. Let's actually play. Let's play some Cranky G nice music. We're cranking it. We don't need them anymore. This is the dream of crypto, friends. Sinking right in. That's really good. Okay, that's fantastic to see. Mr. Hatham Edgia. It's weird not to have Richard announce it first on the ProveX page or socials. Am I crazy? I'm doing this video straight away. Maybe it's out by now. It doesn't work, but it doesn't work in terms of like, I think the orders and stuff properly yet. But like, it's awesome because many people, friends, it's kind of funny. I have to show you this right now. Like, friends, literally minutes ago, okay, there was actually like a few hours ago, there was Arkham. So a guy from Arkham, friends. Arkham is, they are known to be the coconut intelligence agency glowies of crypto. They are literally like the CEO. He's obsessed with the coconut intelligence agency. He forwards all the crypto people information onto him as well. He's literally glowies are fed. So he's made an entire FUD thread on Richard Hart and ProveX. Friends, this is really weird, dude. Friend, I can't tell you how weird this is. I feel like this is planned PsyOps. Where did Richard, is he getting these people to write FUD articles about him because they won't write nice stuff? What do you think about that? Because what a genius thing. Because look what he's doing, man. This guy, how's this a coincidence? This guy made a massive thread about Richard Hart and ProveX. Richard Hart, founder of PulseChain, and he wrote ProveX. This is weird. This is really weird, dude. This is really weird. Usually, the FUD pieces just say Richard Hart, sandwich connoisseur, top hat wearing scammer. They write stuff like that. Or they go wanted by Interpol. or they said Hex guy, Hex scam. That's what they usually write. They don't write founder of Hex, PulseChain, ProveX. That's weird. I mean, it's a conspiracy super cycle. So you're gonna understand. Oh man, that's weird. I gotta light the candle. I hope it's true. That's funny. This guy's written a whole FUD piece a day before it comes out. No, hours before it comes out. Man, this is really weird. But also, it's not weird. This is why he's a billionaire. This is why he's smart. He understands. He go, okay, they're gonna write about me one way, but they're not gonna write nice things. He probably paid them to write nice things. They just don't want to. He's like, okay, here's money. Why don't you FUD me? Genius move. See, friends, you wouldn't be able to do that, would you? No, 99.9%. So for all the cry fags out there who are having a little bitch, you don't think like that, do you? That's why your coins go down only, but you don't have a community. His coins go down only with everything else, but he has a community for a reason. Because they think of stuff like this. You weren't thinking like this, were you? No, you weren't. I wouldn't think like that by default. That's why they're smart, friends. They try and try and try and try. That's what Elon Musk does, friends. That's what they do. These people just build differently. They build differently. They know how to do the trial by fire. They keep freaking just trying to find a way. Okay, their decision trees, friends, they just work differently. Okay, when they hit a block path, most people just turn around and walk away. But they're like, no, there has to be a way around this. How do I get around it? You know, what are the things I can toggle? So I'm going to keep lighting the candle for us every day. Big news as well, right? So look at it. He just makes this big FUD piece. Look, 4 months ago, there was Tornado cash moved. Since Hart doesn't know how to use Tornado effectively, I was able to track the funds. He doesn't know how to use it effectively. And everybody was laughing at this thing. And they're like, dude, we found this information like months ago. The ProveX sacrifice. And I've written a nice FUD post right before ProveX got released. Friends, everybody is angry. I did not know this was PsyOps, by the way. So this is, from the bottom of my heart, the first thing I just said was, welcome to PulseChain, we love you. Okay, by the way, out here, whoever made this in the community, this picture, well done. I want you to make more of these. I used ChatGPT to edit out the 1,000 days. I like this. Why? It looks like it looks a bit like a cake, a 3D cake, cartoony. I really like this. What is it called? Like a bevel effect? Bevel? I don't know what the word is. Like it looks like this 3D. This is awesome. It's really good. I like stuff. Please make them for like PulseX, ProveX, Inc, PDI, any logo out here, PWBTC, whatever. Giga. I bet this is the highest engagement post you'll ever get. Crypto Coffee. He only buys his coins up and he never dumps them. What's your point? So see, friends, everybody's coming out here. Here's LibertySwap replying. Many in PulseChain community were aware of this step and discussed it weeks in advance. So friends, as I told you, LibertySwap, they were the first to post the ProveX thing, okay? And LibertySwap is, I think they're an insider account. Come on, like it's very obvious, friends. It's very obvious. Now there is like, I got scared one point. Do you remember, friends, when I started seeing shadow people again and I went, oh, we're rugging people, are we? LibertySwap's next. They're going to trap everybody in the bridge. That was my just losing the plot because we saw the beta bank and then we knew like, wait a minute, there's bugs in the code or something's going to go wrong. And then something did go wrong. And we're like, oh my gosh, they're just killing everybody in here, right? So hopefully it all works out. This is awesome, friends. This is LibertySwap. Oh wow, they've retweeted my post as well. I've got 69 likes here. I'm not going to press like because it's a message from the universe. 69. ProveX is here. Friends, you're probably wondering something, like, you weren't speaking much about ProveX. Just like, yeah, but now that I saw it, I'm like, man, that's cool. That's cool now. I thought it was going to take 8 years, but it's actually mad. We don't need the banks. We don't need the exchanges anymore. You don't need them. What do you need it for? You send your money to them, but you don't need it anymore. You don't need to deposit your money. It's right here. It's literally right here. You can just PayPal to anything else. That's wild, man. That's really good. Look at all the different currencies you can go to as well, friends. If you're from India, shout out to my baby dolls in India. You got your Indian FC Bank. Wow, man. So I think this is the ZKP2P thing. Okay. So from you got Venmo, Wise, PayPal, Cash App, Turkish Lira. You can use Wise as well if you could just literally liquidate every single Turkish Lira you have left. South African Rand. Oh, the Vietnamese Dong. There we go. Wise. That's mad, man. That's really good. I like it. I like it. I think we're going to have to play some Pumpy G music and spin the hat as well. That's really wonderful. Okay, so it bypasses exchanges now. Because what we're trying to do, friends, we're trying to like simplify the process of people being interested in a coin and joining. Now, of course, a lot of people are saying, you know, they just get rugged and stuff, but it's not about that, man. It's if you're interested in a, look, let's use different terminology. If you're interested in a community, it's like saying the stock market, right? You want to minimize the friction between someone liking a company and their vision and their profitability and then being able to be owning an equity part on them, okay? So it's the same thing in crypto. You like a community and you want to be long with them. Yeah. Obviously, in crypto, they use different terminology because everything goes down only. This is really good, man. I really like this. If you go to ProveX, everyone going nuts and wild here. Here we have Dirty Crypto live. Decentralized me, amazing. Let's go, boys and girls. I appreciate every single one of you, friends. I like all your comments. I feel good now. I don't know why. I feel good. I have a dopamine hit. I didn't think so, friends. I didn't think so. Can I tell you something? And we got to get serious here. We're going to get the nipple pegs out. We're getting serious here. When PumpTires came out, I wasn't at home. Okay, friends, I wasn't at home. Okay, and I wasn't excited, just because I knew, I'm like, oh, but that's, you know, that's a temporary seasonal narrative Solana thing, and we're just diluting spam. Because I knew, I'm like, you know, and then look, it did wear out. All that pump fund making new coin stuff. This thing I'm excited for. I like this. Okay, and not just me, my theories or anything. It's just I feel good seeing it, because I open up the site. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is awesome. It's almost like I didn't even know we really needed this. You know, friends, what I'm also excited for, but don't know what happened. Like if Elon Musk financializes Twitter, you can get a stable coin, you can do finance swapping stuff on it. That'd be great, okay? So please, just be careful of using this. Like I said, I haven't fully tested it or verified anything. Please be patient. Don't do anything silly so we can verify it. ProveX is a big boost for PulseChain adoption, friends. This is wonderful, yeah, because like I said, bypassing these, they take your ID, they lose it. They take your passport, they lose it. The exchanges only take your money, not your keys, not your coins. But it's annoying. You have to transfer it over. You know, we're getting things better. That's awesome, and things are getting done. So look, let's talk about prices and stuff out here. They're dog shit. We know they're dog shit. Okay, we're dog shit. You don't want to look at them. We have everything up 3%. PulseChain down 90% sack price. PulseX down 91% or whatever, down sack price. Down 91% or whatever. Inc 50%. You have eHex and pHex. You have garbage coin PDI as well up here, PWBTC and core coin, Dickwipa, and everything else out here, right? So hopefully, as PulseChain recovers up, hopefully we get stuff resurging back to friendship coins. We still got Poker Center, we got the PTGC, all these different communities. They're all still here. Everyone's still here, but with PLS still down this much, it's still gonna be a kick in the nuts. This is the PulseChain price. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red monthly candles in a row. Based off that, you could say the bottom's in. But what does that mean? Oh yeah, bottom's in. Like it can still take a while, man, to just go back up here. Yeah, and that's 0.3x sack price. I hope it comes up faster. But let's not worry about that, right? Things are built, things are here. We have things, we build our own stuff. We no longer need to worry about the gatekeeping, you know? Isn't that cool, friends? You don't need to worry about Kraken and Binance listing. You don't need to worry about Coinbase listing. You don't need them. This is literally the future. We're watching it right now. And by the way, all the coins they list are dog shit anyway. They just go down only, you know? But yeah, it is convenient, right? People are just there. They just type in a code. So yes, they do have a base. It is great. But you don't need to pay their fee. You just show people, hey, you can get it on this ProveX. You just literally deposit money straight in. It's such a simple, amazing process, man. That's really good. I wonder if a Heart wallet is going to come sooner or later. I think LibertySwap, friends, is actually making, I think they said they're making a LibertyX wallet or something. I think they're actually doing it. So things are coming together. And look, I'm just going to have to say, if we're speaking about Liberty, look, friends, you have to, LibertySwap. Okay, remember Richard Hart posts about LibertySwap? It's a special project. I mean, the amount of times I said PDI to $1. Because we need it, friends. The biggest product market fit, you know? Think about this. Just think about Richard's vision. It's real cypherpunk. You don't need exchanges anymore. You don't need them, okay? You've got a bank account. That's enough KYC, thank you. We don't need to go handing out to all these other freaking scum exchanges to get hacked, to get stealed. Freaking Coinbase, friends. Do you remember that guy? That guy who lost $10 million of Bitcoin 1 or 2 years ago, who got fished. How did he get fished? because some scum at Coinbase leaked all the customer data. It leaked the top 300 net worth guys on their customer data, and that poor guy got fished. Okay, so we didn't have to worry about that anymore. Okay, we'll build our own solutions. And by the way, these exchanges go suck a fat one as well. They go list all these other trash Morad meme coins at the top, and they just go down only anyway. They're all getting abandoned, man. Okay, so that's why this community is here to stay. We just build our own stuff. That's good. That's awesome. So Cypherpunk Vision, friends, why I'm throwing this logo out here as well is this is the final key missing piece. Because you're swapping into USDC using ProveX. Now, it's good, but they can always turn you off. Wouldn't it be nice one day if you could swap? You just directly get into this. That's why no admin key, very important. Okay? Don't stop believing. Like, subscribe, belly button, all. Catch you in the next one.